3, 2, 1, go. Earl Grey, wild cherry, yellow flavor, fresh fruit, good bush, black tea. Take it with milk and sugar.
You are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you.
3, 2, 1, go.
Honey, oh sugar, sugar. You are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Sugar, 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 sugar. Honey, honey, candy girl. Sugar, sugar, honey, candy girl. Sugar, sugar, honey, honey, candy girl. Sugar, sugar, honey, candy girl.
Earl Grey, wild cherry, yellow flavor, fresh fruit, good bush, black tea. Take it with milk and sugar.
You are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you.
3, 2, 1, go.
Honey, oh sugar, sugar. You are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Sugar, 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 sugar. Honey, honey, candy girl. Sugar, sugar, honey, candy girl. Sugar, sugar, honey, honey, candy girl. Sugar, sugar, honey, candy girl.
Take it with milk and sugar.
Mace, how low can you go? Death row? What a brother know. Once again, back is the incredible rhyme animal, the uncannibal beat. Public enemy #1, 5-0 said freeze, and I got numb. Can I tell them that I really never had a gun? But it's the wax that the Terminator X spun. Now they got me in a cell cause my records they sell. Cause a brother like me said, well, Farrakhan's a prophet and I think you wanna listen to what he can say to you. What you ought to do is follow for now. Power to people.